How to fix VirtualBox error in supR3 hardened WinReSpawn in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be getting an error like this. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the C drive where the Windows is installed. Go to Program Files. Find Oracle and double click on it to open it. Open the VirtualBox folder. Go to drivers. Open vboxsup folder. Here you will find an INF file. Right click on this file and select install. Click on yes. If any user account control pop-up appears, the operation completed successfully. One thing to note friends, you will have to enable file name extension to see the INF extension. From here, view, show file name extension. I have already enabled. If you uncheck this, the extension will be gone. So once you enable it, the INF file will start appearing. Then right click on this and select install. Close the File Explorer. Now open the command prompt as administrator. Click on search. Type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Select run as administrator. Yes. Go to the video description and find this command. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. If you get this error using this command, you will need to make changes in services. Click on search. Type services. Select services. Find VirtualBox system service. This one. Right click on this service and select properties. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on this drop down, select automatic. If the service is stopped, click on start and click on apply. Click on OK. Right click on VirtualBox system service. Select restart. Close the services and then restart your computer. Then open the VirtualBox. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.